Hello everybody, welcome back here to our project. We have finals. That is in Plymouth Meeting, Pennsylvania. So we have a completion and I would like to show you what it looks like. Okay, here you remember I used to be. For those that haven't seen the video before, you can take a look at it to see the big transformation. So here you have it. This is the new bathtub wall tile that surrounds the bathtub all the way to the ceiling. We added two shelves on the left. We put a niche there, one shelf to the right. We have a new set of the shower diverter and trim. As you can see, we have this bowl shower curtain rod, beautiful modern shower curtain. Yes, this bathtub is in it's a color, and it's an acrylic / fiberglass. We put a new window ledge. It's a lot wider, so people can put things here, not unlike the way it was before. So it's a lot wider, so you can put a little nookies, whatever you want to put there. And a brand new mini blinds, very stylish. The toilet, brand new. You have we replaced the radiator cover. That's a plastic radiator cover, believe it or not, but it looks very nice, to my surprise. You have this floor tile. It's beautiful, very beautiful. I love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. Brand new vanity. That's our vanity. Have a vanity mirror and light. Wall suites and GFCI. They have been replaced. And basically, that's about it. It's a small bathroom, not too much to show, but you can see the big difference. A little work, what it can do. It's a big transformation. Very modern, and it looks fantastic. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.